This is a prototype of the grading interface for the new version of CyberCourse. Let's grade John Richardson's work on the computing the tip exercise. Given John's reputation, I'm sure the code will be very clean. This is one of the first programming exercises in the programming course, and one of the simplest. On the left is the exercise, with additional notes to the grader, if any. Next to that is John's submission. In practice, this would have some files attached. We would open them to inspect John's work. The other two panes are where the action is. We evaluate John's submission in the rubric item pane, then click the Create Message button. That generates a message in the feedback pane. We can edit it if we want to, and then when we're ready, we can send it to John. The exercise has 2 rubric items in this prototype. In practice, there are almost always more, but 2 is enough to show how it works. Let's say we open a file that John attached. We look at his code and check out the indentation. It is, of course, perfect. We click the drop-down and then choose an option. Let's say that one. We're done with that item. We run John's program and look at the output. It's correct. We choose the appropriate response. Now we choose an overall evaluation. There are 3: good, needs work, or poor. We'll pick good. Clicking the Create Message button generates a feedback message. It looks fine, so let's click the Send Message button. We're done with the submission. In practice, grading is very fast. To see that, let's grade Josie Long's work on the same exercise. Assume she attached some files here. We run her program and it works. We look at the code and it's indented correctly. Give her an overall evaluation. Click Create Message and Send. All done. So what's the bottom line here? Learning research says students need formative feedback to help them learn skills. That's usually impractical since formative feedback takes too much time. The CyberCourse feedback system streamlines manual grading, making it practical. Frequent formative feedback becomes part of our teaching toolkit. We can afford to give students lots of exercises, lots and lots of exercises.